This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Pilot cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty. You'll need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver for this task. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. This simple maintenance improves your air quality. Next, we'll remove the glove box. Press in on the sides to clear the stops, allowing it to drop further. On the right, you'll see a small dampener arm. Unclip this. Now, the glove box should be free to pull down and off its lower hinges. Set it aside in a safe place. This exposes the filter housing. Now you'll see the filter housing. There are 2 clips on the cover. Unclip them and remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation. Insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow matches the direction of the old one. This ensures optimal performance. To finish up, reattach the glove box by aligning its lower hinges and pushing it back into place. Don't forget to reconnect the dampener arm on the right side. Push the glove box up until the side stops engage securely. Your cabin air filter change is complete, improving your vehicle's air quality. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy cleaner air on your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.